Tired of your iPhone acting up and feeling ancient? Let's get it running like new with the latest iOS update. First, unlock your iPhone and head to the Settings app. It's the one with the gear icon. Scroll down in the Settings menu until you see General, and tap on it. This section is where you'll find the Software Update settings. Now, tap on Software Update. Your iPhone will automatically start checking for available updates. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, as updates can be quite large and use a lot of data. If an update is available, you'll see the details displayed on the screen. Read through the information to understand what's included in this update. Tap Download and Install. You might be prompted to enter your passcode to confirm. You'll then be presented with the terms and conditions. After reading, tap Agree to proceed. Your iPhone will now download the update. You can continue using your phone while it's downloading, but performance might be slightly affected. Once the download is complete, you'll see a prompt to install. Now tap it when you're ready to begin the installation process. Make sure you have enough battery life or are connected to a charger before proceeding. Your iPhone will restart and display the Apple logo with a progress bar. This process can take several minutes, so be patient and don't interrupt it. Once the update is complete, your iPhone will restart and you'll be back on your home screen. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your iPhone. Now enjoy the latest features and improvements.